and welcome to this evening's Equity Market Trap. My name is Lisa Pallavi Barbora. The benchmark indices were a bit unsteady today. They started off okay but continued to trade in a very narrow range and gave up gains and finally corrected towards the close of trade. The BSE Sensex finished at 20,570 and the Nifty closed at around 6,100. Of course, market participants are waiting to see what happens in tomorrow's credit policy to finally take a call on where the benchmark indices are headed after that. If you look at broader markets, the consumer durables index was a big gainer today, up around 1.3%, and also the capital goods index was up around 1%. But there it's mainly thanks to L&T, which saw sharp gains despite a weak market. At the declining end, the FMCG index corrected around 2.5% as heavyweights corrected in that space, and also realty stocks continue to decline. The realty index was down around 2.1%. Let's look at some result reactions. Just Dial reported its Q2 numbers beating expectations, and that stock was up 3%. This despite the fact that the stock price has nearly doubled in the last around 5 months. Also, Dabur India reported its results, again beating expectations with a 24% increase in net profit. However, the stock corrected around 3.7% today as the price had increased in the last few trading sessions in expectations of the Q2 results. HUL also reported its numbers and beat expectations with around a 13% increase in net profit, and also on the volume front they did meet the expectations, but that stock also corrected around 0.82% as the valuations are on the higher end of the band. Coming to some gold loan companies, Manappuram and Muthoot both were up 5% today, as there are some reports doing the rounds that the government may increase the loan to value ratio from the current permissible 60% to around 75%, which is in favor of these companies. Coming back to the Sensex names, at the top was L&T, up around 1.9%. Also, HDFC Limited was up around 1.3%, and ONGC gained around 1%. At the bottom of the pile, it was ITC, which corrected around 3.6%. Other than that, there were metal stocks which corrected. So, Sesa Sterlite was down around 3.2%, and Tata Steel corrected around 2.9%. Market participants will watch to see how the markets react to the credit policy. Until then, it's a wait and watch. That's all from me. Do log on to livemin.com for more details. Thank you.